flowers are blooming. On days like this, kids like you should be burning in hell.
One step left now, it's almost time. Show you what my determination has to left for you to get back to. You should prepare to just die. Like all your friends, you have a really good time.
But kids like you don't play by the rules, and guys like me, it ain't easy to be played for fools. So let's go, let the room get chiller. Let's go, dirty brother killer.
Go ahead, kill me again, I see you're able. But inside you know the end can be better. I can tell you're really tired of the fighting, but I even come back after dying.
You're not gonna win, we'll be here together, fighting in this judgment hall forever. Now you just reset each time I'll beat ya, but I'll always be right back here to meet ya. I know you're late.
This is where it stops, this is where it ends. You keep telling me those words and hope that I would understand. But even if I hear you, I won't give up my attempt. Can you just not see the truth? Can you not see what this all meant?
Go ahead and try to hit me if you're able. You should know by now the mercy's off the table. Think that you can try to spare me like I'm someone. When you didn't spare my brother, so get dunked on.
I know I make your friends all disappear, erasing all what's left